The zero state method, your 60 seconds rituals to set your emotional overwhelm. Do you know what is it? It is so simple. I know life takes over so many times, lot of negative emotions you face every day. And whenever you are getting overwhelmed, just say to yourself, dear self, just relax because everything is taken care of. Remind yourself again and again throughout the day, I know I am always taken care of. Dear universe, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you for always taking care of me. I love you. This is your 60-second rituals to set any kind of emotional overwhelm. Again reminding you, you are always taken care of. So, what you are feeling after listening to this, obviously